to another Edith Noble video. Today we're doing episode 7, I believe, of Mango and Me. And I decided to do another tutorial because I haven't done one of those in a little while. And today I'm going to do a micro art tutorial. So in art class, recently we've been doing this thing called micro art, and it's where you draw stuff super small. And you can do watercolor, color pencil, whatever you want. But we always say it has to be the size, like within the size of an OK sign. So we have to do 3 collection pieces, and I've done 2 so far. I'm doing kind of a world theme, so I'm gonna do this now that I've figured out how to do it for my 3rd piece. So far I've done this little travel the world, which was my first one, and then my second one is the Sydney Opera House. And I was pretty pleased with how they turned out. I feel like I could probably do a little bit better now that I know what I'm doing. But for the 3rd one, I'm going to do this like shaved alpaca one, and it's super cute. Let me show you. So there's this lady on Instagram named Lorraine Lutz, and I actually have to write an art review on her pieces, and all of mine are copied off of hers. No copyright or anything, obviously. But I'm doing this one. I'm gonna do a little alpaca, and it's super cute. So let's get into it. And I'm gonna use colored pencil, but you can use watercolor or whatever you want. So first, I think what you're gonna wanna do is draw a light outline of it, and then kind of go from there and just color in. And if you're using colored pencils, you're gonna want the tips to be super duper sharp, because you're barely gonna use them. Like, I've used these 2 for the past ones, and they're like barely they don't look used because it's so incredibly small. So make sure your tips are small. So I finished the llama, and this is what it looks like. Or not llama, alpaca. And I think it's super cute. I put little boy. And I think it's super cute. I think one of the best tips for this one is really get the shading right, or else it'll just look like any other drawing. So really get the shading right and put in a lot of detail when you think it's not done. Take 5 more minutes is what my teacher always says. So these are the 3 I have done, and I made a video and completed a school assignment, so kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So these are all 3 that I've done. I think they're pretty cool. And so again, this is micro art, and it's very fun. Pretty simple. It doesn't take the longest because it's not that big. So I guess that's it. Comment down below any tutorial or video ideas you have or anything. Give me some responses. Tell me if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. So, as I just said, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for lots more stuff coming at you every week. Bye.